Hey everyone, we're going to use our formula again, d dx of x to the power of n equals n times x to the power of n minus 1. And what we're going to look at is we're going to look at if we have an index value of n which is a fraction. So let's see what happens. We're going to apply our rule as normal. d dx of x to the power of a half. Now what happens if we have to deal with a fractional index value? Well, we apply the rule as normal. So the value of n here, which is a half, goes in front of the x, and then we reduce that value by 1. So that's going to give us a half times x to the power of, and if we subtract 1 from a half, we will get minus a half. Now, when we're thinking about subtracting 1 from fractions, it's sometimes very useful to think of a number line. Now, if we start at the value of a half, if we subtract 1, it takes us a half to get to this point, which is 0. And then if we keep going, to subtract 1, we need to take away another half, and that will leave us at the value of minus a half to subtract 1 from a half. So sometimes it's useful to think of a number line going in this direction. Let's look at a second example. If we have to differentiate, let's say in this case it's x to the power of 2/3. What happens here? Well, again, we've got our index value, which is 2/3. That goes in front of the x, and we reduce this by 1. So, what do we get? We're going to get 2/3 times x to the power of, and again, if we think of a number line, if there's 0, and here's the value 2/3. So if we take away 1, there's our starting point. It takes us 2/3 to get to 0. So in order to subtract 1, we need to go down another third in that direction. So that will finish up at the value of minus a third. So if you subtract 1 from 2/3, we'll get the value minus a third. Okay, so to recap, we can use the formula above for differentiation using fractional values, and the same rule applies as before. And the key learning point is sometimes it's very easy to think of number lines when we're subtracting 1 from fractions, and that visual can give us a very good way of getting the correct answer each time.